Wait, does Florida's new law mean you no longer need a permit to fix your home? That's what everyone is saying. But here's the truth, and it might surprise you. HB 803 just passed both chambers of the Florida legislature. It makes changes to how permits and inspections work statewide. But here's what most people miss. This is not a free pass to skip permits. It only allows unpermitted work in very specific situations already defined in Florida law. If your contractor tells you, "We don't need a permit because of the new law," that is a red flag. Ask them exactly which exception applies. Now HB 1049. This one says local governments cannot require a permit for work under $7,500 on a single-family home. Sounds great, right? But listen carefully. Electrical, plumbing, structural, and mechanical work still requires a permit, no matter the cost. And if you live in an HOA, your association can still require a permit, even for work under $7,500. Don't assume you're covered. Here's why this really matters. Skip a permit thinking you're covered, and you're wrong. And you could face fines, stop work orders, or the worst scenario, your unpermitted work kills your home sale at closing. The title company calls. The deal is on the table, and suddenly, there's an open permit nobody knew about. In Florida, buyers can sue sellers for up to 4 years after discovering unpermitted work. I've seen it happen. Don't let it happen to you. So before you start any work on your home, ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Is my project electrical, plumbing, structural, or mechanical? If yes, you need a permit, period. 2. Has HB 803 or HB 1049 actually been signed by the governor yet? Don't assume it's law. 3. Does my HOA have its own permit requirements? Check before you start. These 3 questions can save you thousands of dollars and a lot of headaches. These laws are still moving through the process. The moment anything changes, I'll be here to break it down for you in plain English. If this video helped you understand what's really happening with Florida permits, hit that subscribe button, because navigating Florida permits is exactly what this channel is all about. I'm Alex Rivera, and I'll see you in the next one.